Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're taking a closer look at how vocabulary is organized in Minspeak systems.
The vocabulary in Minspeak systems, such as Unity and LAMP words for life, is organized into semantic categories, or groups of words that are related in meaning. Think of the symbols on the home screen as being the head of a family, with all the words found under that symbol being related.
For example, the apple symbol is the head of the family of words related to eating, including eat, bite, taste, hungry, and food. The family of words that lives under the bed symbol includes sleep, wake, rest, nap, and tired. Since a bed is a piece of furniture, you can also find furniture in the bed symbol family.
Symbol families take advantage of natural associations. When do we eat? When we are hungry. What do we eat? We eat food. These words are learned in the same context, so it's natural for them to be found in the same family. This organization of vocabulary makes learning and using words predictable.
Want to dive deeper? You'll find a link to a free course on the AAC Learning Journey called Family Focused, teaching Minspeak the symbol family way in the video description, just below this video. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more AAC tips, and drop a comment if there's something you'd love to see next.
Thanks for watching and keep exploring. See you next time.